Hey YouTubers, here's I know iPod. So I'm just gonna show you a product called whiteboard cleaner right there. Well, it's to clean whiteboard, of course. But if you got an iPod Touch like that, I don't know if you guys can see it, that's pretty bad right there. Pretty bad. So when you just spray a little like that, let's see. At the top. Right there. And it's wet. And it's probably just gonna clean it off right there. Just rub it. Hold up. Okay, that looks pretty nice. That looks pretty nice. Looks fine. And my new video right now is gonna be on mail, so you could write like that way, not this way. So I just want to show you a product. This costs like $2 to $5, but it's really great. It's gonna shine. And I'm probably looking right there how to take off these scratches. I don't know if you guys can see that. So anyway, please rate, comment, and subscribe.